Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So we are back at our weekly spot. We are at CVS and we are about to get into this week's deals. We got some good stuff going on this week, but we should be able to move through it pretty quickly. So the first thing I want to talk about is this deal on the L'Oreal. So the L'Oreal is buy two, get back a $6 extra cure buck this week. The product that I wanted to focus on was the Voluminous Mascara. So I wanted to focus on this because I wasn't sure, first of all, if it was included in the first place. So I needed to do a test deal just because of the wording in the ad. But it is included, I have confirmed. So these are on sale for $5.99. And just like last week, I got another free beauty product coupon. So I was thinking this is going to work out great because I will use that $5 beauty coupon and I'll use a $6 beauty buck that I earned last week that you guys just saw when I walked in the store. I'll pay $0 and get back a $6 extra cure buck. Well, that is not exactly how this deal worked out. So I placed two of these in my cart along with my $6 extra cure buck. I had my free beauty coupon loaded up. When we got to the register and started to check out, that's free beauty coupon did not even come up on the screen. It was not attaching to these mascara. It was not attaching to anything. So let me show you how this deal ended up working out. So there is the mascara. My manager was very, very nice and she actually price adjusted the mascara by $5 to honor that coupon. So I ended up paying 99 cents for one of them, and then the $5.99 was covered by the $6 beauty buck for the second one. So my subtotal came up to 98 cents, and then I did get back my $6 extra cure buck for the mascara. So that ended up making these 49 cents a piece versus free. But after our beauty bucks back, these will be just about free anyway, so no biggie and still a great deal. But just keep that in mind if you do plan on using that beauty item coupon. It is acting a little weird today and not attaching. So let's get started this week with a household deal. So I am super excited about the household deal this week because we got some really good CRTs. So the first thing I'm going to grab is one of the Tide Pods, and we're actually going to get the larger Tide Pods this week. So these are $11.94, and they are included in our spend 30 get 10 household promotion this week. And I don't think we're going to have this same spend 30 get 10 next week, so I definitely want to make sure to take advantage of it. So these are $11.94. I have a $3 off one CRT and I have a $3 off one paper coupon that we're going to use on this product. So this is the first thing that we are going to grab. The next item up is going to be one of the Downy Unstoppables, and we're actually going to get one of these 14.8 ounce bottles. I am super excited to grab the bigger one. So these are also $11.94. Once again, I have a $3 CRT and I'm going to use a $2 paper coupon on this as well. The final item we're grabbing in this deal is the Tide liquid laundry detergent. So we're going to get one of these 25 load bottles. These are on sale for $5.94 this week. I'm going to be using a $2 off paper coupon. So this is my complete spend 30 get back 10 household deal. I am also going to be using my 4 off of 20 CRT in this deal because that is going to take this deal over the top. So we have the Tide 35 counts. Those are $11.94. I'm going to be using a $3 off paper coupon on these that I printed from the P&G website. You can also find these in the October P&G, and I'm going to be using a $3 off CRT. For the Downy Unstoppables, I'm going to be using a $3 off CRT as well, and I printed off a $2 off one coupon from the P&G website. You can also find those in the October P&G. And then for the Tide, I printed off another coupon for $2 off one, or you can find these in the October P&G. So after all of those coupons are applied and that 4 off of 20 CRT, I'm going to be left to pay just $12.82 for these 3 products. Then I will get back a $10 extra cure buck, making it just $2.82 for all 3 of these items, or just 94 cents each. Considering that these items are $11.94 already on sale, to get all 3 of them for 94 cents a piece is a steal. The next deal we're going to do is a nice freebie on the Sure deodorant. This is such an easy newbie deal that anyone can do. So these are on sale for $2 this week, and when you buy one, you will get back a $2 extra care buck, making them absolutely free. Another easy freebie this week is the Gillette sensor razors. So these are included in a buy three, get $6 extra care buck deal. If you have a 5 off of 20 shave CRT, I would recommend buying 2 of them. Use that $5 shave CRT, and you want to use the coupons that we got in today's P&G for $5 off of one. I don't have my P&Gs yet, and I don't have a shave CRT, so I'm just going to buy one of these for $7.99. I'm going to use the $3 off CRT that was available last week, and I'm going to use the $5 off digital coupon. That will make these free out the door. You don't pay anything. Next deal up is a nice freebie on the Nivea lip care. So these are buy 2 get back a $5 extra care buck this week. This is an unadvertised deal, so you won't find it in your weekly flyer, but they are $3.49 at my store. At some stores they may be $3.19, but $3.49, so that is $7 for 2. In today's smart source, we have a $2 off of 2 paper coupon. We also have digital and printable coupons for these as well. I will have them linked in the Google document below. So we're going to buy 2. You use this $2 off paper coupon, you pay 5, get back 5, making them absolutely free. I also have a CRT on my other account for one of these, so they should be a nice little money maker. And if that $1 digital coupon also applies, that would make them a money maker as well. So we will see what happens when we go up to the front. All right, so since I am doing this deal on my side card, I'm going to go ahead and check out with these items right here. I have my household deal, my spend 30 get 10, the Gillette, the Sure, and the Nivea. And I've pulled $20 in extra care bucks along with all of my manufacturer coupons. So let's go up to the front and check out and see how this deal works. All right, you guys, so this is going to be the day of the CRTs acting up, I think. So my $2 off Gillette CRT did not come off. It is missing in action. Looks like everything else worked out well. So there is the Downy, there is the Tide Pods, there is the Sure, there is the Tide Liquid, there's the Gillette, and then there are my 2 Nivea products. So we have the $2 manufacturer coupon for the Tide and the Downy, the $3 for the Tide Pods, then we have the 2 off of 2 for the Nivea. So my Gillette digital did come off. The Nivea coupon still did apply, so we got an extra $1 for that, making that a money maker. There is my 4 off of 20, my 2 Tide and Downy CRTs, and then there is the $20 in extra care bucks. My subtotal came up to $179. I was expecting 0, but $179, and then I placed that on a Fetch Rewards gift card. We had a 97% savings, saved $60 in that transaction. Got back the 10 for the household deal, got back the 2 for the Sure, and then I got back the 5 for the Nivea lip. So got back $17 in that deal after spending 20. Not too bad at all, but I would have appreciated free 99. Let's go on to the next deals. We have a nice moneymaker on the Glucerna mini treats this week. These are buy 2, get back a $5 extra care buck. I have a 3 off of 2 Glucerna CRT, and I'm going to use 2 of these $3 coupons that you can print from the Glucerna website. All you have to do is sign up for their club. So I'm going to use both of those plus that $3 CRT. I'll pay $2.58 and then get back a $5 extra care buck, making these free plus a $2.42 moneymaker. Now let's get into a really nice deal on the Eucerin. So the Eucerin is back on a spend 20, get back $10 in extra care bucks this week. I'm excited that this deal is back. It's been a while. So the cheapest way to do this deal I'm seeing is to get one of the skin calming creams at $9.79 and then one of the daily hydration lotions. You want to use 2 of these $3.50 off printable coupons from the Eucerin website. I will have them linked down below. below. And I'm going to use a 4 off of 20 lotion CRT. So after all of those coupons, I'll end up paying just $10.78 and then getting back a $10 extra care buck, making them just 39 cents a piece. I actually prefer the Roughness Relief lotion over the Daily Hydration, so I'm going to pay $1 more in this deal and pay $1.78 for 2 products, which is a-okay with me. We have a nice deal on the Physicians Formula this week. It is buy 2, get back an $8 extra care buck. So what I'm going to do is pick up 2 of these lip butters for $9.98. That'll put me close enough to $20. And then I'm going to use the $5 CRT that is printing for everyone at the Red Box this week, and my 5 off of 20 Physicians Formula CRT. I'll end up paying just $9.98, and then I'll get back an $8 extra care buck, making them just 99 cents a piece, and they'll track towards beauty. So before I move on to the next deal, I just want to talk really quickly about these Aveeno makeup wipes that I'm about to grab. So the Aveeno facial care products are on a spend 35, get 15 deal this week. And I played with a lot of different scenarios in my head, but they were all pretty exhausting and just had a lot going on. So I decided, because I have 2 $4 off Aveeno CRTs, to just grab this product as a nice little cheapie instead. So this is $8.79. I have 2 $4 off CRTs loaded onto my card that I'm going to use. Both of those should apply, making this product just 79 cents out the door, and this is all I'm going to get in that Aveeno deal. The Hershey's and Nestle snack size candies are on a great deal this week. So they are on a buy 3 for $9, and you will get back a $3 extra care buck special. Last week, printing at the Red Box, we got a $2 off of 3 CRT. I also have a 2 off of 7 candy CRT that I'm hoping will apply, because if so, I'll pay just $5 for 3 bags, and then I'll get back a $3 extra care buck, making it just $2 for 3 bags of candy. The Nivea Men shaving products are also on an unadvertised deal where you buy 2 and you get back a $5 extra care buck. We got a $2 off of 2 coupon in today's Smart Source, so you can buy 2 for $4.99, use that $2 off of 2 coupon, pay $7.98, but then not only will you get back a $5 extra care buck, you can submit on Ibotta for $2 back for both of them. That'll make your final out of pocket just 99 cents for 2 of them, which is a great price if you need this. So let's talk really quickly about the Dove this week. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do this deal again, even though it's not as cheap as it was last week, because these are not on sale. So they're $5.49 regular price, but when you buy 2, you are going to get back a $3 extra care buck. So depending on what CRTs you have, you may be able to work this into a deal. Now the reason I'm going to do this deal is because I know that $150 off of 2 Dove Digital is glitching, and I still have it loaded onto this card. So I'll end up paying, I'm going to use the 3 off of 2 CRT that we got last week, plus the 3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon, and that $1.50 off of 2 Dove Digital. I will pay $3.48 out of pocket, and then get back the $3 in extra care bucks, making these just 24 cents each. For Dove, I can pay 24 cents. All right, you guys, so this is our complete CVS haul for today. I'm about to go up and do my final transaction. In that transaction, we're going to get everything that we haven't paid for yet. So that is the Reese's, the Dove. We're going to get 1 more of the Sure, 2 more of the Nivea. We're going to get our Physicians Formula, our Eucerin, and our Glucerna and Aveeno products. So this should be a nice little transaction, and we should get it for free $99. So I have about $34 in extra care bucks plus all of my coupons for this transaction, and I plan on getting more than that back. So let's go up to the front and check out and see how this deal works.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
All right, you guys. So I am super excited about this last transaction. It was flawless and a money maker. So this is everything that we got. We got our candy right there, all of our Reese's, our Shore deodorant. There is our Nivea. There is the Dove. There is the Glucerna. There is the Aveeno. There is the Eucerin. There is the Physicians Formula. The other Eucerin that we got. All of our paper coupons scanned with no problem. That Dove Digital came off again, making that a nice cheapie on the Dove shampoo. The Nivea came off again, making that a nice little money maker on the lip products. And then I also got the $1 off of 4 Aquaphor lip. That came off as well. So that was a super money maker on the Nivea this time around. There are all of our CRTs. So there's the $5 off, the two $5 off for the Physicians Formula, my two $4 off for the Aveeno to make those wipes, only 79 cents, my 4 off of 20 for the Eucerin, my 4 off of 20 for my next purchase. I use that as well on this card. There is the Glucerna, the Dove CRT, the Candy CRT did come off as well, making those an awesome deal, just $2. I used a total of $34.59 in extra care bucks. And do y'all see that subtotal? Y'all, subtotal was 0 because one of my extra care bucks that was $4 was reduced down by 41 cents. So I placed that on a Fetch Rewards gift card, of course, paid 0 out of pocket. I had $100 saved in that transaction, 100% savings value. Now let's look and see what we got back. So I got back the $3 for the candy. That was awesome. I got back the $10 for the Eucerin. I got back the $3 for the Dove. I got back the $2 for the Shore deodorant. I got back the $5 for the Glucerna. I got back the $5 for the Nivea lip. And we also got back the $8 for the Physicians Formula. So that is a total of $36 back that we got, not including the beauty that we earned. So we spent 34, got back 36. This deal was a moneymaker, and this was definitely a free week at CVS because this moneymaker made up for the dollar and change that I spent in my last transaction. So I am super excited. So I hope these deals were helpful to you. If they were, please remember to hit that thumbs up button and check below for a written breakdown of all of today's deals. I thank you all so much for watching my videos, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.